Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear. Charge the Linkbuds S and open the case so they can advertise. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone, then launch Sony Headphones Connect. This app is how you locate them. Once done, sign into your Sony account and grant location and notification permissions so the app can report last known positions. Do this now. Skipping permissions will prevent tracking. This step ensures the earbuds can be queried and will appear in the app as a device you can actively find. Next, open the Headphones Connect app and tap your Linkbuds S entry. This is the control point. Use the Find My or Locate feature to either play a loud tone from the buds or to view the last known map position. Ringing is immediate, while the map shows where they were last connected. Walk slowly toward the sound and watch the app's signal or distance indicator to refine direction. If you lose signal, stop and scan in 360 degrees. Bluetooth drops quickly, so short bursts of searching are best. Finally, if you can't hear the tone, check battery level and reopen the case to wake the Linkbuds S. Some power states prevent ringing. Make sure you physically retrace steps using the last known map marker. Inspect pockets, bags, couches, and car seats near that point. If they remain missing, enable lost mode in the app, contact Sony support with the device serial, or perform a factory reset as a recovery last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If the app shows no connection, toggle phone Bluetooth and location, then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.